Welcome or welcome back to my channel. For today's video I have a what I eat in a day video. So I'm so excited to share with you guys this video because it is a very raw and realistic what I eat in a day. I do acknowledge that these types of videos can be triggering. If you feel that you cannot watch this video through, then definitely don't watch it. All of our bodies are different. You are beautiful the way that you are. We are all beautiful the way that we are. Or the things that I eat does not mean that you should be eating these things or eating everything that I eat at all. We are all different. I hope that you enjoy this video, and let's go ahead and get started with the video. So we are starting today. It is a random Tuesday. I usually grab a little bowl like this. This is like my favorite little yogurt bowl, and my breakfast changes. Sometimes I'll have oatmeal, sometimes I'll have this, and on the weekends I usually have like eggs. So it does change, it varies. I'm gonna have some Greek yogurt, and then I love having it with my vanilla almond cluster cereal. I got this from Trader Joe's. I got both of them from Trader Joe's. I just grabbed a little spoon and I put a little bit of this in here. But yeah, this is my breakfast. I would totally add some strawberries or something, but obviously I don't have time for that, and I definitely need to wake up earlier to like make time for that. But this is a very realistic like what I eat in a day. So we're just gonna eat this and then we'll head out to work. I wanted to show you my lunchbox because I think it's really cute. I will have it linked in the description box of this video. I got it from Amazon. I think this is the brand, but it's just a simple black lunchbox, and inside it has a little pocket which I usually put my snack in. It's a pretty big size, so I personally really love it, and it's a nice little like bag that I just like take with me. So I definitely take both of these in here, and then I'll show you what I get for my lunch later on when I have lunch. So I just close this, and my water bottle actually fits in here too, which is pretty convenient. I always have to fill up my water bottle. I either do it the night before or I do it like in the morning to make sure that I have water for the rest of the day. Okay, I'm gonna head over to work, so I will update you next time that I eat or I snack or whatever it is. So I will see you very soon. So around this time, I actually decided to have my banana, but this banana was so huge, you guys. So I actually just had half of it, and then I saved the other half for later on in the day. So I did end up eating the whole entire banana, just in 2 different times. At 12:36 I had my lunch, and this is what I brought for lunch today. So once a week I usually have backups, so this was my backup for today since I didn't cook last night. And they had a free cake at work, so obviously I had a piece and it was delicious. It's 4:36, so I haven't eaten anything since I last showed you what I ate for lunch. So I've just been drinking my water. I did pack this today, so I'm about to have a Z-bar. This is the Z-bar by Cliff Kid. This is the chocolate chip flavor. This is like one of my go-to bars. Then I will update you later. We are going to the gym today, so I might have another snack before I go, or it depends how I feel. Definitely gonna eat this right now, so I will update you very soon. Caesar cut up an apple and he ate 2, so we're sharing this apple before we head over to the gym. Hello, it is much later. I am about to take a shower. Just came back from the gym, so I'm going to have dinner soon. So I will show you what I'm having for dinner. We actually cooked before we went to the gym. Caesar had already started cooking, but I helped him finish once I got home. I'm so excited to eat because I feel like the gym makes me like more hungry, if you know what I mean. I didn't vlog at the gym, so I'm sorry, but it's okay because this wasn't like a day in the life. This was just like what I eat in a day. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna eat for dinner. So we had leftover green rice with a little bit of veggies. We cooked this Impossible burger with the peppers and onions, which I have done before. I believe I have the recipe like over on one of my Vlogmas's videos, so I will link that video in the description box. But this is like my favorite thing. I love having this, so I'm gonna have that. I will insert the benefits of this. I'm probably just gonna add a little bit of that on the side, and that is what I'm having for dinner.
It's really sour.
Yeah, it is sour, by the way. So since we're keeping this a raw what I eat in a day video, I do have to say I was awake for maybe like a little bit longer, and then I like flat out fell asleep because I was so exhausted, especially from my workout, I think, and from a full day of work plus the workout right after. So I forgot to mention one thing that I did forget to take that day, but I usually do take it, so I wanted to include it in this video. This is the Perfect Woman's multivitamin. This is a vitamin that I've been taking for a while, but I take 2 of these gummies a day, and I feel like this has been a positive thing that's actually been helping me in like my nails and my hair. So I just wanted to include that. I will have this linked in the description box below. That is all that I got for today's video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't already. It would make me super happy. Definitely don't forget to thumbs up. It really helps my channel a lot. Let me know if you would want to see more what I eat in a day videos. We could do like a healthy version. We could do like another raw, realistic version. I hope that you enjoy this, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye everyone.